OptaMiss Engineering Services and Construction Management presents the importance of annual roof inspections.
All roofs need an annual inspection and regular maintenance in order to reach their intended life cycle. You wouldn't purchase a new vehicle, drive it every day, and expect it to last if you never performed regular oil changes and maintenance. In a similar fashion, annual roof inspections and preventative maintenance are key factors in the longevity of your roof.
What if your roof is still under a contractor's warranty? You may ask, why in the world would I want a roof inspection by a third party? Well, sometimes the contractors will only fix an active leak during the warranty period. However, having an unbiased third party perform the inspection, we will point out all visible deficiencies and potential problems. Oftentimes, these items will be repaired for free if your roof is still under the warranty period. What if your roof is still under manufacturer's warranty? Well, most manufacturers require that you perform and maintain a log of all roof inspections in order to keep your roofing warranty in compliance. Not performing an annual or biannual roof inspection will void your warranty.
When you hire OptaMiss as your unbiased third-party assessor, you can rest assured that you're getting an honest assessment. We will give you a detailed report with captioned photos and a sketch showing the location of the deficiencies. We will also provide you with a punch list of deficient items with order of priority. That way, if you don't have the funds to make all of the repairs, you can obtain estimates and schedule them into future budgets.
With OptaMiss, you get not one, but up to 2 inspections per year. If you had repairs done, OptaMiss will perform a second inspection in order to verify that your roofer correctly performed all the contracted repairs. Hopefully, you can call us to do this before you approve the contractor's final payment. If no repairs are performed, you can use your second inspection for OptaMiss to go back out and inspect your roof after a high wind event, such as a hurricane.
The main causes of premature roof failure are due to lack of maintenance and shoddy workmanship. Don't throw your association's hard-earned money down the drain.
Hire OptaMiss to perform your annual roof inspection. We will detect problems early on. Keep contractors honest and double-check their work. Realize your roof's true lifespan and avoid premature failure.
What are you waiting for? Contact OptaMiss and let's schedule your annual roof inspection. 786-701-3925. info@optamiss.com. www.optamiss.com.